Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to share some tips on how to effectively use clouds in your drawing. When I first started to draw, I admit I only know one type of clouds, and that's what I use every time. But as I progress in my art journey, I learned that understanding the clouds can improve my painting. And there are so many things that I want to talk about here in this video, like different types of clouds and how you can enhance the storytelling aspect of your drawing by using these different types of clouds. So yeah, that's enough for the introduction and let's get started. Clouds are classified according to their height above and appearance from the ground. They are divided into three categories. First one is the high level clouds, the second one is the mid level clouds, and lastly, the low level clouds. The three main types of high level clouds are cirrus, stratus, and cirrocumulus. Cirrus clouds are thin and wispy clouds similar to a feather. These clouds are sometimes a signal that there is a possible rain coming. Cirrostratus clouds looks the same as the cirrus clouds, but this one looks more like a wide layer of veil, and these clouds are more connected compared to the scattered position of the cirrus clouds. Cirrocumulus clouds are small rounded clouds like a cotton ball that usually form in a row. Most of the time, these clouds show a fair weather. The three main types of mid-level clouds are altostratus, altocumulus, and nimbostratus. Altostratus clouds are flat and uniform in shape and usually cover the whole sky and have a blue-gray appearance. Altocumulus clouds have almost the same appearance with cirrocumulus. However, altocumulus are much larger in size since they are closer to the ground. Nimbostratus clouds are dark gray clouds that are so thick that they sometimes cover out the sunlight. Obviously, there's a storm coming when you see these clouds. The three main types of low-level clouds are stratus, cumulus, and cumulonimbus. Stratus clouds sometimes look like thin white sheets covering the whole sky. Because of its thinness, these clouds appear to be a fog in the mountains or hills, and the weather is usually fair but gloomy on this type of clouds. Cumulus clouds have flat bases and are often described as fluffy and look like a piece of cotton. These clouds have different sizes and it's an indication of a fair weather. Cumulonimbus clouds are huge looking clouds extending high into the sky like a tower. These clouds produce rain, thunder, and lightning and usually disappear during the night. Now that we learn about the different types of clouds, I'm going to share how you can use this to enhance the storytelling aspect of your drawing. There are a lot of ways to effectively tell a story in your artwork. You can use colors, you can use shape languages, composition, but surprisingly, clouds can also help enhance the storytelling aspect of your artwork. If you want your artwork to show how epic or how big or how massive something is, then cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds can help you convey this. Usually, these clouds can be used to enhance the scale of the environment and to feel the sense of adventure and journey. If you want your artwork to convey a sense of mystery or feel gloomy and sad or a sense of death and horror, then stratus, nimbostratus, and cirrostratus clouds can elevate this kind of storytelling. If you want to convey a dreamy or relaxing or a sense of motion in your artwork, then cirrus, altostratus, cirrocumulus, and altocumulus clouds can create this atmosphere. Usually, these clouds create an illusion of movement and space throughout the scene and that enhances the dreamlike and relaxing aspect of the story. Now that we know the different types of clouds and how you can use them to enhance the story in your artwork, I will be sharing you some of the custom brushes I use to paint clouds. I will be sharing these brushes with you for free, so stay tuned at the end of this video on how you can download this for free. So basically, these are 9 brushes and the first 4 brushes have brush dynamics activated. The first brush is used to create soft patches of clouds. You can create little clouds using this and you can have different shapes and sizes based on the pressure of your pen. And you can also build up big clouds using this brush. This is good for making cirrocumulus and altocumulus type of clouds. The second brush is used to create thin and wispy clouds like the cirrus and the cirrostratus cloud type. This is also pressure sensitive and you can change the rotation of the brush settings if you like. The third brush is intended to use for heavy clouds like the nimbostratus and cumulonimbus clouds. I usually use this for rainy sky since it can easily block the whole canvas, but you can also use this even the sky is clear. This brush is set to have different values on each stroke, so it's really easy to create color combination without changing the color in the color panel. The fourth brush is used to create big and fluffy clouds like the cumulus clouds. Just like the previous brushes, it is also pressure sensitive and have different shapes and sizes on each stroke. The color dynamics is also activated so you can create shadows on each stroke of the brush. The remaining 5 brushes are stop brushes. That means you will only have one shape on each stroke. These brushes can create a beautiful sky much faster than using the dynamic brushes. The disadvantage of using this is that you will have a more repetitive cloud shapes since you cannot control the brush. So it really depends on what your goal is. If you want more control on the kinds of clouds you create, then use the dynamic brushes. But if you need a faster way of making clouds, then you can use these stump brushes. And like I said earlier, I'm sharing these brushes for free so you can use it on your next painting. You can download it on my website and I put the link on the description below. And also, finally, I'm on Discord. Yeah, I'm late in the game. But you can join my server if you want to hang out with me and learn more about art. You can share your artworks there, ask me questions, ask for feedback, get some free brushes like this, and you could have a glimpse on what I'm currently working on. Everyone is welcome, so yeah, I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.